You ever wonder how you go about prioritizing the patching of vulnerabilities in your home or business? Or maybe you just simply would rather not think about it, but it's important. So let's get to it. Let's first start with the home and think outside from the internet in. Your router is the first thing that is between you and the internet. If you haven't patched it ever, or it's been a long time, please check for updates and update it as necessary. Next, reboot your router once a week. This will rid any malware that may be in memory. Next, your browser or browsers should be attempted to be updated weekly. In recent times, updates can be made available every week. Of course, there are operating systems for computers and phones. Please update these whenever necessary, which is usually multiple times a year. Then there are also applications and SaaS applications, software as a service. Update those too as necessary. This could involve items as Microsoft Office or even software like Photoshop. Hardware. In my case, I have a hardware such as a microphone preamp that usually has updates several times a year. Then there's smart home connected products, stereos, TVs, even home security systems have updates from time to time, and maybe even your gaming equipment. Please look at updates as a good thing that the manufacturer cares enough about their products and their customers to provide updates for security and functionality. What about business? One of the best sources on the internet is CISS's KEV, or Known Exploited Vulnerabilities Catalog. You can download these currently attacked vulnerabilities in a .csv format or a JSON format. And you can even sign up on their webpage to get currently exploited vulnerabilities delivered to your own email address, just like I do. Remember to prioritize your updates of your network elements and servers exposed to the internet first, and work your way inside your network. Since that previous slide's URL was a bit small, here's the URL in larger letters so you too can explore CISA.gov's website and discover the latest vulnerabilities in your network. Now let's get patching. This has been your cybersecurity tips of the week. Everyone, please stay safe and secure until I see you next time.